Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Carson here, and today we're playing some Road Royale. Yeah, and I don't have a sniper. Come on. Oh, he's so low. What? Haha. GG.
What?
Yeah, they're gonna stay back there. He is so dead. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, GG. Oh gosh dang it. Oh god. Hi.
Yeah. Like the HDMI? Yes. That did. Where is it? Yeah. No idea. It's somewhere. Yeah? I don't know where Dad put it. Don't worry. In one of the totes? Possibly. I have no idea. I'm gonna watch TV. What does it look like? Actually, in the truck, passenger side, there's the Xbox right there.
Come on. Kill him. There we go. GG.
Same.
Hmm? God, I should start building. That's kind of the name why it's building build royale. Let's freaking go. Okay. Why you spawn me here? No gun. Why you spawn me here? Can I do
I think you
something?
have to be there by 8:30.
No.
Mount Hood.
Good boy. You did not kill me. Okay, pick up. 2. Look how much health he has. You got to be kidding me.
They're not great, but they're okay.
God, I'm sorry about the background talking.
$1.50 something.
Tanner, be
$3.80.
quiet.
Sorry, I forgot you were recording for no one to watch.
Tanner, if you put all my views together, I have 52 views.
All of you
Uh-huh.
videos.
About 10. With 4 subscribers. My most viewed video has 16 views.
Wow.
And it's it's a 10-minute video.
Wow. Crazy.
Oh, gee, this isn't the real game. I thought I was still in queue. Okay, I need to get ammo. Brrr, give me ammo. Yes. GG. I'm gonna pickaxe this dude. I'm gonna make him rage. Pickaxe. Pickaxed. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you enjoy. If you liked this video, hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit the bell icon to turn on notifications. Become part of the notification squad. Bye, guys.